So, dear students, welcome to Environmental Studies. So, we are going to this Module 3. So, Module 3 is Environmental Pollution. So, in this environmental pollutions, we are going to cover groundwater, noise pollution, soil, and air pollutions. Right. So, subject code is 18 CIV 59. Okay. So, now coming to the topic. So first we will see the overview of environmental pollutions. So the first we are going to see definition of pollution, and then types of pollution, then air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, and radioactive pollutions. So these are the things that we are going to cover in this environmental pollution. So first let us see what is the definition of pollution. When harmful substances contaminate the environment, it is called pollution. So pollution refers to the very bad condition of environment in terms of quantity and quality. So any harmful substance contaminate the environment. Otherwise, so in another way we can say this pollution is nothing but anything which is added to the ecosystem which is not pleasant to the human's origin or living and non-living organisms, or which is not useful or which is not required for this ecosystem. So those kind of things are called pollutions. So it refers to very bad condition of environment in terms of quantity and quality. Now coming to the types of pollution, there are 5 different types of pollutions are there. One is air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, land pollution, and radioactive pollution. So in our syllabus, so we are going to cover air pollution, water, noise, and land pollution. So in this syllabus we are so radioactive pollution is not given. So for the first, so 4 different types of pollutions that we are going to study in this module. And coming to this air pollution, so first and foremost, before entering into this pollution, we should understand what exactly the atmosphere is. So atmosphere acts as a life blanket of earth. So as you all know that, so the earth and so the earth is covered by this what you call troposphere, different types of layers like troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere. So in order to avoid the ultra UV radiations, right, coming from sun, so it is this will atmosphere will act as a life blanket of earth. So it will not allow the harmful radiations to come and fall on this earth. So it will protect our earth to undergo this type of harmful radiations. Now it is therefore essential that we know more about the atmosphere and the ways in which it is polluted. Even some times we are directly or indirectly responsible for these different types of pollutions. So coming to this air pollutions, so burning of this unnecessary things, the waste particles, and so coming out the harmful gases which are coming out from industries, and we use day-to-day life automobiles. So automobiles release so much harmful gases which are not pleasant for the human origin. So such as carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. So all these kinds of harmful gases are releasing every day when we use these automobiles to this atmosphere. So all these things are causing pollution, air pollution to our Mother Earth. So air is considered safe when it contains no harmful dust and gases. If we take this automobile industries, and earlier there was no unleaded petrol. So now slowly that so their focus is shown on how to eradicate or how to control the pollution which is coming out from this exhaust from the automobiles. So much things are happening, and they are changing the design of the automobiles, and so chemical balancing, so adding of the mixing of the chemicals, and the mixture, the air fuel mixtures, so they are taking care of it. So lots of things are happening. So when it comes to this automobile industry, lots of innovations are happening to avoid these pollutions. And coming to this industries and all, so how to recirculate the gases which are coming out, and then how to control or how to arrest the harmful radiations which are coming out from these industries. So all these things are taken care, and it is being taken care each and every day. Now let's see what are the things, the areas which cause air pollution. So major sources of air pollution: industries, as I said just now. Industries are the main reason for this air pollution, and then second one is automobiles and domestic fuels, and then high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, dust, for example cement dust, foundry dust, and wind blown solid dust, and then mist, and then smoke, and then carbon black and aerosols. So these are the different areas that which cause air pollution in day-to-day life. So in the first, industries and automobiles that we have seen, and then high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide which are coming out from our automobile industries, and as well as we day-to-day life we use air conditioning and refrigeration, so it releases some gases. So that will be the reason for depletion of this ozone layers. So, and even that areas and also things are taken checking out, so how to control these harmful gases which are coming out, and then dust, moisture like smoke, and then carbon black aerosols and all. Now let's see what are the effects of air pollution. Air pollution affects human health, animals, plants, the atmosphere as a whole, global warming, ozone depletion. That is how what you call getting this ozone, the holes on the ozone layers, and acid rains and various respiratory illness. Now, how to avoid this air pollution? So we can avoid this air pollution by this: use natural gases like liquid petroleum gas in autos and all, and we should not burst crackers. We should stop using that, and then use less amount of fuel for vehicles, and avoid using and use electric stoves, biogas. So we have to control this. We have to attention has to be given for in these areas to control this air pollution. And coming to this water pollution, so any physical temperature or oxygen, so chemical that is mercury or biological disease sewage change to water that adversely affects its use by living organisms, living beings. So that is nothing but water pollution. That we have seen lots of areas, some sea sewage areas, and also much of dust particles are accumulated, which will cause these water pollutions. And causes of water pollution: about 40% of deaths worldwide are caused by water pollution. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged into rivers. Noise also causes anxiety, stress, reaction, and fright. So these are the causes for water pollutions. Okay, so this is the picture where that polluted water. So this is how that water pollution looks like. So with this, and stop, and then the remaining pollution I will continue in the next video. Thank you.